I come. I'm getting warmer any second now. Fee-fi-fo.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the kid.
You lost it?
No, she was just... Here she is. Hey, what's the matter?
I already told you, buddies, I have...
Oh shit! Oh shit! Randall! Thank goodness! What are we gonna do about the child? Shh! The front page! It's on the front page. The child, the one you were after.
Will you be quiet? Don't you think I'm aware of the situation? I was up all night trying to find it.
I did a simple calculation. Factoring in the size of the sushi restaurant, the child may have escaped!
Yeah, well, until we know for sure, we're gonna act like nothing happened, understand? You just get the machine up and running, I'll take care of the kid. And when I find whoever let it out, they're dead! Oh. Why are you still here? Come on, go! Move, now!